Hi friends, hello everyone, how are you all? So today I'm going to do unboxing of 3 wallpapers that I recently purchased online. I'll try to provide the purchase link of all these products in the description box below, so that in case you like any of these wallpaper, you can simply click on the link and purchase them easily. Now when you order these wallpapers, this is the type of packaging that you will receive. So just twist the paper from inside and pull it off. Amazing. So this is the first wallpaper for today. It's a beautiful yellow flower with pretty green leaves. So as you can see, these are really very bright and I really love them a lot. So if you love the color yellow like me, then definitely you can go for this wallpaper. I have plans to give a yellow theme to my living area, and therefore I wanted some yellow sunflowers to light up the space, and these are really very lovely. Now if you are thinking that it is very difficult or complicated to apply them, so no, not at all. I will show you how it will come out, and it will really come out very easily. So you can just see these yellow flower stickers are my personal favorites because of its poppy bright yellow and green colors, the size, clarity and everything. Simply by holding from one side, you have to just pull it off and then stick them on the walls or cupboard or doors or etc. wherever you like. Now after this, coming to my next wallpaper, this again comes in a very same type of packaging. This one is a pretty peacock design and it's very colorful and bright again, so you can see it yourself. So if you are also a devotee of Krishna Bhagwan ji like me, then definitely this sticker is for you. इसमें बहुत ही सुंदर मोर and मोर के पंख बने हुए हैं. I'll just show you. So ये देखिए, there are two similar peacocks in one same wallpaper. You can apply them either side by side, or also you can apply them in two different rooms separately. इस मोर की पंख देखिए, it's so very long and colorful, and जो इसमें artistry काम की गई है, this is also very nice. This wallpaper is really very bright, colorful, attractive, and I am really loving it a lot. You can see all of these beautiful colors, the green, yellow, orange and blue, and orange and green are my personal favorites. So all the colors used over here are very bright and very poppy. There are even purple shades in it. So size and width of this wallpaper is not at all small. This is very big enough. Now this is how the design will finally come on the wall. As I said, there are two wallpapers. You can see that there are two wallpapers in this one pack. You can stick them together in one way, or you can even stick them separately. Now coming to my next wallpaper, this is a red caged heart wallpaper. This is also really very pretty. It has so many lovely red hearts in it, beautiful black sticks holding them. Plus the best part in this wallpaper is that there is a beautiful quotation down here, as you can see, which says you will always have a special place in your heart. So that's so sweet to read and say. Now this is how the actual wallpaper will all look like after you stick them on the walls. And this one is also very bright, attractive and beautiful. The black is very shiny black and this is very bright, and the red color also used here is of pure red hearts. So this will look awesome on the whole wall. So yeah, that's all for this video guys. I really hope that you like these wallpapers and its unboxing. So don't forget to hit on the like button below this video. Also very soon I'll upload a video on how to apply this wallpaper on the wall and their final looks. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel and also hit on the bell icon so that you may receive the notification whenever I upload the new video. So happy decorating, keep smiling, bye bye.